Karnataka Chief Minister, why doesn't he go ahead with the release of the caste census data?
We are in discussions. We are very clear what our direction is. Those actions will be taken. I'll also let Siddaramaiah ji directly answer your question. So first, let me ask him to.
You haven't answered that.
I'll come back to you. He's asking about caste census in Karnataka.
Our previous government in Karnataka, that is, the government, our Congress government was there between 2013 and 2018.
Normally he doesn't need a mic.
In 2014 and 15, we have entrusted this caste census and socio-economic survey of all communities to Permanent Backward Class Commission, headed by one Kantraj, then chairman of the commission. By the time our term is over, the report was not ready. When coalition government was there in Karnataka after 2018, the caste census report was ready, but the coalition government's chief minister, Mr. Kumar did not receive that report. Now the report is lying with the Permanent Backward Class Commission. I requested now the present chairman, Mr. Jayaprakash Hegde, to submit the report to the government. If he submits the report, he will definitely issue the report. With consensus, caste census and socio-economic survey of all communities, particularly other backward communities.